Hello everyone, I Vidhi welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today in this video we will discuss the practice assignment that was given to you during your summer break. Hope you enjoyed your summer break. See, the assignment that I am going to discuss is related to simple past tense. Students, we are not going to discuss the complete assignment, rather we will discuss that part of the assignment which I felt a little bit tricky or where you might have faced some problem. Alright, so let's start. See, first of all, what is simple past tense? See, simple past tense basically deals with the actions which has been completely done. Okay, the action which has been completely done or which is completely over, and it has no connection with present time, right? And in simple past tense we use second form of the verb, right? Now the exercise which I am going to discuss deals with simple past tense. Here you will tick the correct sentences and you will put cross against the incorrect sentences, then you will rewrite those incorrect sentences. So let's start the exercise now. See, the first sentence is the patient was slept peacefully. Now see, the action of sleeping is completely over, it is completely done. It means this is simple past tense, and whenever we use simple past tense we use only second form of the verb. But here if you can see, was is also given, right? So this is an error. This sentence is actually wrong. So let's correct this sentence. Here was will not come. Okay, was will not come. Only slept will come. Now the sentence is correct. The patient slept peacefully, because the action of sleeping is completely done. It is completely over. Now let's move to the second sentence. The saint did said his prayers. Now here also see, the action of saying prayers is done, it is completely over, right? And it has no connection now with present time because that action is completely over, right? So here also we are using simple past tense, and in simple past tense we use only second form of the verb. So here did is also given unnecessarily, so it will also not come. The sentence is wrong, let's correct it. The saint said his prayers. Now it is absolutely correct. Now let's move to third sentence. Mother kept the key with her. Now see, the action of keeping keys, that is over, right? So it means this is also simple past tense, and we have to use second form of the verb. And here also kept is written. Keep, kept, kept. So kept is a past form, second form of the verb, right? So it means this sentence is absolutely correct, right? Now let's move to the fourth sentence, that is, did he slept late at night? It's interrogative sentence. Now did is used. See students, do, did, done. Did itself is the second form of the verb, right? So whenever you're going to use did, with did we are going to use first form of the verb. But here in this sentence second form of the verb is given, so this is the error. It means this sentence is also wrong, right? So what will come here? Did he sleep? Did he sleep late at night? Now the sentence is correct. Okay, now next fifth sentence. Teacher did not solve the sum. Now here see, the same rule is applicable here. The rule which I explained you in fourth sentence, the same rule will be applied here also. See, here did is given, and with did I told you that we use first form of the verb. So this sentence is also wrong. Instead of solved, what will come? Solve will come. Teacher did not solve the sum. Now sixth one, the poor young man lose his bride. Now the action of losing, that is over, it is completely done. It means this is also simple past tense, and we are supposed to use second form of the verb. So instead of lose, what will come here? Lost, because the past form of lose is lost, right? Next sentence, he did not came today. Now again did is Yes, beta. We were discussing seventh sentence, right? See, he did not came today. Now, did is given. Again, that rule applies that whenever did is given. See, I don't want you to cram the things, rather understand the things logically. You must know the reason behind it. See, did itself is the second form of the verb, so it will not take second form again, right? So with did we are going to use first form of the verb, but here came is given. Come, came, come. Here past form is given, right? We are not going to use came here, so it is wrong, right? So what will come here? Come. He did not come today. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. He earned very little by selling milk. Now the action of selling milk is over. It is done. Another action of earning, that is also done, right? So the action is completely done and it is over. It means we are using simple past tense, right? So he earned is given, so it means we are going to use simple past tense. Earned is already given, second form of the verb. It means this is correct. Yes, beta. Now we are going to discuss the vocabulary part also, right? From your practice assignment. The first word is audacity. Audacity means the confidence to say or do what you want despite the risks, difficulties, or the negative attitude of the people. And the sentence is, I could not believe their audacity. And it has been used as noun here. Okay. Second word is civilized. Civilized means cultured. See the sentence, try to act like a civilized human being, and it has been used as verb here. Okay. Next is irrelevant. Irrelevant means inapplicable or not related to, and the sentence is, his question is completely irrelevant to the lesson. Next word is overwhelming. Overwhelming means extreme in amount or strength. See the sentence, it was an overwhelming idea, and it has been used as adjective here. Okay. Yes, after that, now see the next word is cacophony. It means an unpleasant mixture of sounds. Okay. See the sentence, the sounds of the barking dogs and sirens added to the cacophony on the streets, and it has been used as noun here. Okay. Next word is critics. See, one who engages in the analysis, evaluation, or appreciation of performances. Okay, that person is called a critics. He has been one of the most outspoken critics, and it has been used as noun here in this sentence. Next word is generous. Generous means kind, or one who is very open-handed, liberal to give something to someone. Sentences, she has always been very generous towards the poor. Next word is custom. Customs means habit or ritual. See the sentence, we went through customs at the airport without any difficulty. So these are the words which were given in your practice assignment. Alright, so we have completed all.